Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2016 Mazda BT50, stock number 7060. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door 4 dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-split vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,